Hello, my name is Alexander War. This is week 5 of the Backend Software Development course at Promineo Tech. This week's assignment was focused around object-oriented programming, and it required a couple of different features. So we started with an interface called logger, which took two methods that return nothing, but they take two strings. These were used, or this interface was implemented in a class called asterisk logger and space logger. Now these two classes take the string and they do each two different things with the string. Now the asterisk logger first for the log simply takes three asterisks, throws it before and after the string to produce this simple log. Now this doesn't check for errors, but theoretically eventually you'd have some kind of if statement or something else testing for errors. In the case of an error, it will box asterisks around the string, which will be preceded by error. The spaced does something very similar. It's using that interface, so it's got the log, it's got the error. In the case of the simple log, it is designed simply to throw spaces in between each letter. This one simply precedes it with error and does the same thing as the log. Spaces it out, error, hello. So we then have a class called at, which simply runs these methods. I'm using a scanner to change the string I input for more flexibility in testing. The assignment doesn't necessarily require a scanner, so I could either do it with a simple string or I can use the scanner. In this case, I'm using a scanner. I'm going to go ahead and run this. I'll simply use the hello at first, and as you can see, the first one appends the three asterisks to the beginning and the end. This one boxes it up in a little package of asterisks with an error. This one spaces out the hello, and this one puts an error with the spaced out hello. Now we can do this with a sentence as well. I will run it again. And we will say, this is a test. This is a test, preceded and ended by asterisks. Error, this is a test, boxed by asterisks. This is a test spaced out. Error, this is a test. This was a pretty good assignment. It, wasn't too complex. It was pretty simple overall, but it did require passing a little bit of code back and forth in order to get it to work. And that concludes my homework assignment. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.